Making the perfect first impression, responding to introductions. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important aspects of introducing oneself, responding to introductions. How you reply when someone introduces themselves can set the tone for the entire conversation, and today we'll master the art of crafting the perfect response. When someone introduces themselves, acknowledging their introduction is a sign of respect and shows attentiveness. Here are some simple ways to do it. Nice to meet you. Name. It's a pleasure to meet you. Name. I've heard a lot about you. Name. Glad we finally met. In many situations, after acknowledging the other person's introduction, it's time to offer your own. It can be short and simple, especially if they already know a bit about you. I'm your name. By the way. Oh, I should introduce myself too. I'm your name. My name's your name. It's great to connect with you. A great way to continue a conversation after introductions is by asking a few follow-up questions. These not only show your interest but also help in breaking the ice. How did you find yourself in event, place? Do you know, common acquaintance? What do you do at their company, role? Your words are important, but so are your nonverbal cues. A smile, nod, or friendly gesture can go a long way. Smile. It's universal and lightens the mood. Nod. This indicates that you're actively listening. Open body language. Keep your arms uncrossed and maintain eye contact. And there we have it. Responding to introductions is about more than just words. It's about making a connection and setting the stage for a meaningful conversation. I hope this video has given you some insights and tools to make your next introduction a memorable one. Remember, every great relationship starts with a simple introduction. Happy learning, and until next time.